Everyone, so I have an amazing person with me and वो मेरी बहुत ही dear student है और उसका नाम है सुहानी and Suhani is this year's CUET All India Rank 1 with 1000 on 1000 which is 200 on 205 subjects. I think it is a very big thing for anybody to achieve and it's a very proud moment because last year we had Paki, she scored 1000 on 1000 which is 200 on 205 subjects. This year we have Suhani who is again scored 1000 on 1000 which is 200 on 205 subjects and मैं आज उससे बहुत सारी बात करना चाहता हूँ और पूछना चाहता हूँ कि क्या कर रहे थे, what were the things. So thank you so much Suhani and super proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel right now?
I feel elated. I'm so like, it's unreal. You know, it's all, this is happening suddenly. Like the past 2 months, you were doing absolutely nothing and then it's like crazy. I mean, I'm so happy.
एक रोलर कोस्टर राइड था ना, मतलब जब तुम 12th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रहे थे, फिर जनवरी से जो एकदम से पीक आया पढ़ाई करते करते और फिर बोर्ड्स खत्म होते हमने कहा पढ़ाई नहीं छोड़नी है, अभी 2 महीना और लग जाओ and
then suddenly it was like now everything is done, now just wait, now patience. And there was a lot of anxiety for these past 2 months. When is the result coming, when is it coming? But I think now it has come. Now I'm happy, I'm relaxed finally. Very
nice. अब तो मतलब ठीक है, अब चिल है, अब now you select and कौन से कॉलेज पे हाथ रखना है वैसे decide करो. But which one do you plan to go now?
I plan to go to Lady Shri Ram. It's always been my dream college. I mean, in 6th standard I was like, I want to be a part of LSM.
So you want to just follow Paki's footsteps?
Yes. I think I'll meet her.
Are you sure you don't want to go to Stevens?
I mean, I wanted to do Pol Science honors.
अच्छा, Pol Science ही करना है तो फिर LSR ही जाना है तुमको.
That, yeah.
Okay.
So, but otherwise, I mean, Stephens is equally good. It has its legacy and all, but I want to do Pol Science.
Okay. अच्छा, so अब मतलब very quickly मुझे बताओ कि what were the key steps towards your CUET preparation? तुमने कैसे planning शुरू करा, कब से planning शुरू किया, and how did you go about the entire thing?
Okay. So I'll start from the start. I think it all started in 11th grade when I joined NFLO, and I think us time pe we focused on GT and English because English is something that you'll take time to build. It won't just happen in a month after boards.
True.
So, and I would like suggest everyone that start building your vocabulary today. Like it will help you a lot. I mean, I
was teaching you.
Yeah. So in the last month, I remember I picked a whole entire new book of vocab. I was like, I have to do everything. I must know every single word. But I think I started with English and GT. I used to do like some like mediumish preparation, and then in 12th grade, I was like, I have to focus on NCRTs. Usme bhi, I would suggest that the chapters that are not coming in boards, you should do them first because they are the chapters they'll ask easy questions from. Like these are the cherry picking questions you have to attempt rather than attempting the difficult questions.
So which of the subjects are the most difficult in?
I
in
would
this
say this year Pol Science was very easy. It was like not a difficult paper. English was tough. English was actually kind of tough. I was very scared for English. It was the first paper too. So
Correct.
That was, and then geography was kind of tricky. History was, I would say, medium. It was medium hard, and psychology was also, it was easy. I mean, if you prepare well, it comes.
So out of the entire prep set, मतलब मैं तुझे बोलता हूँ, but तुम भी बताओ कि मतलब what is the most important subject out of all of these?
English,
right? जो सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे ignore करते हैं. और they think English ही तो है, it is going to be simple, और पेपर देख के उनको लगता है अरे तो हो जाएगा, but English takes the heat out of you.
Yeah, it takes. I mean, English is so dynamic. It has been changing every single year. 2022 it was only vocab. 2023 it was a lot of grammar. Suddenly they were like giving us a hit. Then I was like, now I have to do grammar also, so I had to do all these rules and stuff. And then 2020, now this year it was like just vocab and a lot of reading comprehensions. So I mean, be prepared for everything and anything.
What were the top 2-3 advices that you got from us which you think were really valuable to you?
I think so. You said that prepare RC well. You should have a time limit. In fact, in class, we like jotted down how much time for each question, how much time for each RC. So I think that time management thing really helped me. Again, vocabulary helped a lot. I mean, a lot of the words I was like, this is so easy. Why are they giving this?
And which you would not have known if not for the
if not for like
Estrange वाला तो जो question था वो हमने class में किया था. We had discussed the word in the class and he said यही इसका meaning होता है.
Yes, like so many were from the worksheets that you have given us. So I think that like really helped me a lot.
मतलब मुझे तो ये बहुत ही मतलब when we contested the question and he said ये question का आंसर ये नहीं ये बनता है, I was like ये मैंने क्लास में पढ़ा था. But any other advice that you think you should give to any CUET aspirant?
I would say that start early, start practicing. You know, OMR is again a very tricky thing. A lot of people do mistakes in just filling the OMR, and 45 minutes you have to read, you have to select, okay, which 40 questions I'm doing, which I'm leaving. Then you have to fill the OMR also. So I think you should have like a practice, time-based like mock tests
ठीक
that
है.
you used to give us in class also. So I think that also I would say that you should practice that.
Okay, and anything specifically for your study pattern? क्या पढ़ना है, कितनी
So
देर
for
पढ़ना है?
subject, for my core subjects, I would say NCRTs, and NCRTs में भी do each and every box. I mean,
Yes.
that is something Paki Didi also
हाँ,
knows. That is
and
something
हम भी
I
मतलब
can also
NCERT
say.
लेकर के खड़े हो जाते हैं भाई, NCERT को you know घुट के पी जाओ.
Yeah, like I would also say that they are asking questions from like the inner boxes and like the subheadings, and it's a lot. So NCRT should be like every.
और वो स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाते usually,
Yeah,
सब
they
लोग
do.
रेफरेंस बुक से पढ़ाते हैं.
they you know sometimes you skip the boxes that इसमें से क्या ही आएगा, but most of the questions are from there. History में they are asking history के maps, so you know do the maps, do the boxes, you know, all do dates. In geography they were asking dates, history they were
बाप रे.
asking maps, so it's very dynamic. You know, you should be prepared for everything.
Okay.
So
But
that-
okay, and any non-academic advice that you want to give to the
would
students?
say-
क्या क्या करना है?
I would say like take breaks, like take adequate breaks, because after boards I had no, like I did not want to study again. I was like, I am done. I do not. So I took a break of like 3-4 days before I started with my prep again. So I think like go talk to your friends, and you know, talk to friends who are not giving the same exam. I think they give you like an other perspective on everything. Talk to your parents. You know, spend some time doing other things. It has to be very balanced, because if you just
Were you stressed out while preparation?
I was no, because somehow if the boards are done, you will be confident that okay, I'll give CUET also. I was not very stressed, but I think English kind of little bit stressed me a little bit. It was the first paper. It was the
True.
first OMR based paper.
True.
So I think there it was a little bit, but I think I managed it.
So good, you know, so happy and proud of you, and wish you all the best, and connect with our last year's topper and
Yes.
join the batch again under her, and we'll be so happy.
Thank you,
Congratulations
thank you
again,
so
and so
much.
proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you.